Hi guys, good afternoon, or shall I say good evening from the Netherlands. In the summer period, the sun will shine until 10 o'clock and it's almost summer here in the Netherlands. I am craving for some Filipino dish. I wanted to make it last week, but I was too lazy to buy all the ingredients. But today we will make a typical Filipino soup, Sinigang. It's a soup with a sour broth, savory and sour broth. I'll show you the ingredients and I'll show you how to make it. If you are interested to make it as well, just follow my instruction. I'm not a professional or something, but I'll just use all the things I can buy or I can purchase here at our local store. So here are the ingredients. First off, you can buy this at your local Chinese or Asian store. Mamacita's Sinigang mix. I have some tomatoes, pork broth or pork cubes, onions, garlic, of course, fish sauce, pork chopped into bite sizes, green beans, pepper, and I don't know what's this. We call this Chinesico, but I'll look it up on the internet. I'll search it on the internet what's this called like. But basically you can always use all green leafy vegetable, anything you want to use. Okay, let's start to cook. Okay guys, first off, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil on a medium heat, and then the garlic first. And then the onions. And followed by our meat, pork. Next, if you want to, you may add in the tomatoes. Fry it for a while until it's a little bit golden brown. And then you can put the pork cube, just one. Yeah. And then simply add water. So when it starts to boil, you may add in your fish sauce. Just 2 tablespoons of it will be enough to bring it to taste. Put some pepper. Some pepper. Come on. That's enough. Stir it. And put a lid on it. And simmer, cook it for at least half an hour on a low heat. We'll come back later. So let's check on our sinigang, our stew. And you can put the sinigang mix to your taste. You can put as much as you want, because the more you put this, the sour it tastes. Okay, done. Next, green beans, in it goes. And the last part is, I've searched it on the internet, it's the cabbage. Cabbage! In it goes, as much as you can put. Wow. It should be so good. So we'll just wait until everything is cooked, and then it's dinner time. So guys, I think it's almost done cooking. Stir it for a little bit and serve it. Bon appetit, let's eat. See you on the table. Hello sir, let's eat. Na-boring na sa kahintay. You're so red. I don't know where's your sweets for your bread, for your dinner. It's already been set up. He's eating bread for his dinner. Yep. So guys, this is the end result of the sinigang. Let's enjoy it. Bon appetit, Monsieur. And this sinigang is best to eat with white rice, but we are on a no rice challenge at the moment. Today we will have a small cheat day. Okay. Can you just taste a little bit and then tell me what's your opinion? Do you like sinigang? And no, you don't like it? Why not?
I don't know. Sure.
Sour. Yeah, it has to be sour. Yum. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna enjoy my dinner now. Bon appetit, sir. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's eat or else it will get cold. Wow. Ang asim guys, talaga nakakakilig ang asim niya. Yum. So craving satisfied for today. So it's just as simple guys. If you are craving for some sinigang soup, just watch my video and follow the instructions. So if you like the contents of the video, please feel free to like, share, and of course subscribe to our channel.